Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, umkhokha the curse. Everything and everything revolves around Mabusi. Mabusi found herself in Dumbeni. Mabusi found herself, I think, in Dumba, guys. Correct me if I'm wrong, right? But she found herself in a traditional space with his grandfather, right, who is a traditional healer. So now maybe this is the calling that will lead Umabusi to her being a traditional healer, right, or a sangoma. I don't know if they're the same, guys. Please correct me. However, with that said, Uko found herself there, but she doesn't want to be there. All the men, the women, they are praying for her. Like everybody just wants Mabusi back. Everybody just wants Mabusi back. But Mabusi found herself there looking and just, girl, she's just frustrating me at this point because now who's going to nurse your child? While we are worried about Umabusi, June, July, the only thing Undlovu is worried about is his daughter marrying Umkhululi. Like literally he's saying, now that Unomafu, we can't find her, she has disappeared, the only thing is for you to get in. Like, and girl doesn't want to go there. Baba, I don't want to go there. I don't feel welcome in that house. My daughter, you are going to marry that man. And you are going to live happily ever after because you will be Mrs. Mkhululi. Guys, is this man that the only way you could see by Gumamzobe by Yonga, I am Mamzobe Atitululu Eskululu. I think it's let us exchange being Mkhululi. Like, you'll be the savior this time, I'll be the savior next time. You'll be the savior this time. Like, Sizoshinchisan, Mkhululi Zobe, Mkhululi Mvelas, Mkhululi Mpolayeg Habe. Yo, guys, Umkhokha is so nice. Like, but Zobe was so angry because Mabusi did not attend to the client. This then means Uguti, it might take longer for her to finish the assignment. But something. Will this something get there? Guys, I don't want this. The only thing I don't want is Bahle to come back. I don't know. You guys tell me. Do you want Bahle to come back? Obviously, I'm gonna post Mabusi the whole video because the whole storyline is about her, right? This is your girl, Disebe D. I love you. Peace. Bye.